Scaling a PDF drawing correctly is crucial for accurate measurements, whether you're working on blueprints, construction plans, or quantity takeoffs. But what happens when the drawing isn't at its original scale? In this tutorial, we'll break down the step-by-step process of determining the correct scale using a measuring tool in SwifDoo PDF. We'll go from identifying a known dimension to calculating and applying the scale, ensuring precision in every measurement. By the end, you'll have the confidence to take off dimensions and quantities from any digital drawing like a pro. Let's get started. How to calculate scale on PDF drawing. First, download a PDF area measuring tool or software like SwifDoo PDF for Windows. This software must have measuring tools for distance, perimeter, and area. Step 2. Upload your PDF drawing on SwifDoo PDF software. Step 3. Go to Top menu, click the tab, Annotate. In the submenu, click the tab, Measure, on the far right. Under the drop-down menu, click Scale Ratio. Enter a ratio of 1:1. Step 5. Find a known dimension on the drawing. Measure the line using the Distance Perimeter tool. Write down the measurement and the known dimension. In this case, the known dimension is 3,180 mm or 3.180 meters, and the measurement is 2.132 centimeters. Step 6. Use these two figures to calculate the scale. You can ask ChatGPT to help you with the calculation. To calculate the scale of the drawing, use the formula. Scale equals measured length on plan, divided by actual dimension. In this case, scale equals 2.132 centimeters divided by 3.180 meters. Converted to centimeters, this is 2.132 centimeters divided by 318 centimeters. Therefore, the scale 0.006711, expressed as a ratio, is 1:149. Step 7. Go back to your PDF measuring software and enter this scale. On SwifDoo PDF software, go to the tab Measure, select Scale Ratio, and enter the scale. That's all. You can start taking off dimensions and quantities from the PDF plan by using the distance, perimeter, and area tools. To test and verify your new scale, measure a known dimension on the PDF drawing using the distance tool to see if the measurement matches with the known dimension.